Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today we're back with another video on our ways to make money selling in 2024. And like I told you guys, we are down to the wire. We are almost at the last video. Hope you guys have enjoyed these 31 days. So let's get into it. As always, I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework, idea, research, platform, and product. The idea that we'll be talking about today is to cater to a niche market of custom printed interior design products and upholstery fabrics. So we're going to talk about creating a line of cow print, very specific, shower curtains and bathroom accessories. You would not believe the type of prints that people love. I just think cow print is a fun one. Sometimes you have to go out the way to create something and it sticks. So let's talk about this. The site and platform that I'm going to use today is whoeNA. Really great quality products, but I guarantee that this can do great on a few other websites as well. So on whoeNA, they have these shower curtains, and that is what we're going to use today. Here is the cow print I created that's not showing up in Canva, which you will see on the next slide. Here is the mock-up of the cow print shower curtain, and this is basically the design I used as well for this. I think it is cute. I just could only imagine the splash of color that someone could use to really bring this design. Some matching bathroom mats. I think whoeNA has that as well. whoeNA gelato. Just think about it. It could be a whole bundle type deal. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode of Ways to Make Money Selling in 2024. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.